1 lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 inch dry ginger. To star anise, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Take a jar and add coriander seeds. Add cumin seeds. Add salt. Add cloves. Add cinnamon sticks and star anise. Add dry ginger. Add black pepper. Add turmeric powder. Grind into a fine powder. Mandi masala is ready. Take 1 kilogram of chicken and add mandi masala, add lemon juice, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix mandi masala with chicken. Mix well. Marinate and leave for 2 hours. Heat oil in a kadai. Add marinated chicken and fry. Fry on medium flame. Fry until golden brown in color. Flip on other side and fry. Chicken is fried well. Remove in a plate. Fry remaining chicken. 1 kilogram of basmati rice, soaked for 1 hour. Hit pressure cooker and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 bay leaves. Add few black pepper. Add 2 cardamom, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, and 1 teaspoon of shazira. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped onion. Add 1 chopped green chili. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 chopped tomato. Mix and cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of Mandi masala. Add 1 liter of water. Add salt to taste. Mix and cook till it gets boiled. At this point, add fried chicken. Close lid and cook for 3 whistles. Remove excess vapor and open lid. Remove chicken pieces. Add soaked rice. Give a mix. Close lid and cook rice on 2 whistles. Open lid. Rice is cooked well. Place chicken pieces on rice. Place a bowl in center and put charcoal. Pour little oil on burning coal. Cover lid and give a smoky flavor. Time to serve mandi. Garnish with sliced carrot, tomato and chopped mint, coriander leaves. Garnish with fried onion, raisins, and almonds. Tasty and delicious chicken mandi is ready to serve. Enjoy tasty Arabian chicken mandi with mayonnaise and tomato chutney. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.